Yo. You alright?
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
It took me the worst way.
That's better, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, that's better. A lot of blue there, but
So
that's
much
better.
better.
We can take it up. I mean, it's a nice situation in there. See, look, you're very travel photographer, so you're very into traveling. That's your style, photography. It's travel.
Yeah.
Mine is more on the experimental art way.
Yeah, definitely.
That's the difference. And I kind of learned to stop telling people like, what are you doing now? It's not cool. Because it's a different mindset.
Yeah, no, definitely. Yeah, and I think it's like everyone has the different method of doing it as well. Like, it's not just I take these kind of photos. It's I take these kind of photos. I see it in this type of way, but I have this way of going about it.
It's more you have to buy stuff or you have to buy a screen. You have to buy grips, lenses, all that kind of stuff. Losing the Nikon truck like crazy. But does your autofocus work during slow motion?
Yeah.
Alright. That's the Nikon truck. That's my parents. What did you do now? I can bet you feel the same way about yours.
Oh yeah, without a doubt. Turn out towards this side.
I'm more invested in photography now than film. Like, a lot more. I wrote a little speech that came in my head. It was like, wealth divided you, race categorized you, and you let humanity change it.
Yeah.
And then they disappear into the ocean, when the film ends.
If I go and stand on that rock down there,
Yeah.
do you get a photo from here of me like stood on that rock? Yeah? Sweet. Right. Yeah, probably like. Yeah, sweet. Sweet. Alright. Woo. How's that?
Good. Take this last one first.
So nice. Oh. It's proper slippy. Ah. I don't know where my lens cap is.
Oh, right.
Oh well. It's very stiff, this tripod. I swear I had it somewhere.
There you go. I kind of feel like I can never shoot Look straight in the mountain over there. Yeah, perfect.
Okay, so we got the camera set up right now on a time lapse. It's on a f22. It's open for 4 seconds. I've got my ND on, a variable ND, and it's on the interval mode. So we're getting a time lapse of the tent and the mountain in the background. There was quite a lot of movement in the clouds, so I'm kind of hoping that the long exposure sort of drags them out a bit more. Hopefully look. Okay, so just setting up the gimbal now, and for this shot we've got the river. The river. So
this is a big river.
We've got a little river. We've got a puddle, and we've got the mountain just over that way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the gimbal low down to the ground, probably in the low mode, and we're gonna like kind of do it. I'll do a jib shot first. I'm just hoping that turns on. Seems pretty stable already. Yeah, cool. So I'm gonna get like a jib almost. So we'll do that first. Do it in 16. Here, if we start with the water, kind of make sure we get that mountain in. So let's set the screen up. So make sure we sort of get low to the ground, get low to the river, and then I'm going to jib up.
My camera's on.
Right. So.
I bought the card right before
So we've got this mountain over here, which looks pretty sick. Got a giant puddle here. So if I'm going to go to 16mm on the Sony, and then kind of get close to the reflection, just level with the water, frame it in the middle. Yeah, it's pretty nice.
He was just talking to his camera. Who does that? Who talks to their own camera? What a crazy person.
Crashed the drone. First time flying it in a while. We'll go again. Actually do some stuff this time. lighthouse.
So gorgeous. Yeah.
So I'm just going to get like quite close to the edge. I don't want to obviously fall down here. It's a pretty big drop. But I'm going to get like the foreground in the lighthouse in the background. Super windy. Okay, so just waiting for a shot now where like with the verge, the waves, the lighthouse with the bird flying. There's like a group of birds up there, like I don't know if they're even strong enough to sort of fly out. There's one coming. 2 seconds. So just got a bit closer to the lighthouse, but I think one of these like closer puddles might look a bit nicer actually. I think I'm gonna find a big enough one. Maybe like here actually. We'll try that.